good. Next one.
Orange. Orange.
Go, Hazen.
Orange.
Shoot, shoot, shoot.
Orange. Yellow.
Go. Iput na inside. Go, inside, inside. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Yellow.
Go, Hazen, go. Go, Hazen. Happy birthday to you. So, iput mo na inside yan.
Get that.
Next. One. And high five. Good job. Yes, nice one. Let's go jump. Come here. Jump with the chair. Okay, very good dog. Good job. A, B, C, D,
Dito yan ma'am.
F, G,
Yan ako sila.
kami na, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, oh, go na. Thank you, Ate. Very good. Yes, waiting. Oh, waiting hands down. Waiting hands. Very good. Oh, waiting hands. Oh, wait for teacher. Waiting hands. Hazen, waiting hands. Look at the picture. Oh, waiting hands ka. Mag-wait ka. Mag-wait. Oh, look at this one. Wait for teacher. Oh, look. The boy hair is, look, messy hair. Oh, what are you gonna do? Oh, messy hair. No, cabinet. No, what would you do if your hair is messy? Oh, what would you do? Your hair is messy. Oh, you put your hair on washing machine? No. What would you do? Your hair is messy hair. You comb your hair. Comb your hair. Oh, after you comb your hair, what's gonna happen next? Look here. What's gonna happen next after you comb your hair? After you comb your hair, what's gonna happen? Oh, here, oh, eto po yung choices. Dito po. What's gonna happen after you comb your hair? Okay, very good. Oh, next. Oh, wait. Sandali po. Sandali. Wala pa pong binibigay. Oh, look. Next one. Dirty t-shirt. O, saan nalagay? Very good. Washing machine. Baliktad ko. Oh. After you wash dirty t-shirt, what's gonna happen next? Oh, look. What's gonna happen next after you wash? Look here. What's gonna happen? Oh, no. Hindi po yan. Yan. Dirty and clean after you wash. Oh, waiting hands. Next. Okay, how about your toys? Oh, where do you put your toys? Messy toys. Yes, where do you put your messy toys? Look mo po. Messy toys. Messy. Oh, where do you put messy toys? Inside the what? No. No. Again, try again. Inside the for your messy toys. Yan, inside the cabinet. Okay, after that, you fix your toys. Okay, next. Wait lang po. Wala pa po. Sandali po. Maghintay. Next Broken chair. How do you fix your broken chair? Okay, hammer and nail. After you fix the broken chair, what's gonna happen? Oh, broken chair. Broken chair. What's gonna happen next? Look here. Here, look, oh, the chair. Okay, next one. Oh, wow, look, drawing. You want to color your drawing. What would you do? Color your drawing, color. What do you need? Huh? To color your drawing? No. You have to color drawing. What would you do? Get your crayons. Oh, you put on your crayons and then color. And then what's gonna happen next? What's gonna happen next? You color your drawing. Okay, next one. Oh, you wait for the picture. Next. Oh, wow. Popcorn. They want to eat popcorn. What would you do? Oh, sand? No. Try again. Eat popcorn. Yes. Oh, you put it on microwave. Oh, you put mo daw. Like this. Sinsan. Yan. And after, you can eat your popcorn. Yum, yum. Very good. Next. Oh, wait lang. Wait lang. Wait for teacher. Next. Oh, you want to drink orange juice. What are you gonna use? To squeeze the orange juice. Squeeze. Which one? Which one? Get. Next. Get mo daw. How to fix the orange juice? Get mo daw. Get. Orange juice. Oh, go. Put it here. Go. Put it together. This one. Oh, orange juice. Oh, put. Okay, and then put it on the glass. Okay, next, you want to build a castle. What would you need? What do you need? Oh. Which one? Get the sand. Get the sand. What would you need? You need a bucket and spade. Where is it? Oh, let's make a castle. Oh, use this one. Look. Yan. Okay. And then, what's gonna happen next? Build a castle. Very good. Yes, it's a castle. Look mo, look. Tingnan mo po. Okay, very good. High five. Good job. Look. Oh, you're gonna insert the picture. Okay, who is this? She is the... Who is this? Student. Yes, student. Hello, student. Oh, paano daw po yan? Oh, try again. Hold mo properly. Paano hold properly? Here, oh. Diba? Dito po. Oh, hold mo diyan. Oh, yan. Oh, next. Insert. Oh, hold this one. Hold. Hold this one. This one. Oh. Yan. Okay. Oh, next. Who is this? Baby? Is this a baby? Who is this? Grandpa. Yes. Hello, Grandpa. Yes. Lolo. Grandpa. Hold. Oh, hold mo daw. Hold. Oh. Grandpa. Hold this. Hold mo. Hawak mo to. Yan. Hold mo. Oh. Ganun po. Next one. Who is this? Who is this? Policeman. Very good. Insert. Hold mo. Hold. Hold. I-hold po. Uh-oh. hold. Ito po, i-look mo po, hold. Hawakan po, yan, oh. Yan. Next, who is this? It's a sister. Your sister, oh. Ano si sister? Saan po? Hold mo. Anong hahawakan? Hold. Which one?
ABC. ABC.
Ano pong ABC? Sister. Oh, hold this one. Yan. Hawak mo. Hawak mo. Uh-oh. Again. Try it again. Push. Hold this. Hold. I-hold po. No. Hold mo po. Hold. Like this. Hawak. Hold. Oh. Hold. Next. Who is this? Grandma.
Grandma.
Yes, grandma. Paano yan? Shoot, shoot. Hold. Which one? Hold. Hold mo po. Hold. Sige po, paano po? Look mo po. Look, look. It's not finished yet. Look. Alin ang hold? Hold. Hawakan mo. Alin ang hawakan? Hold. Hawak mo. Hawak. Yan. Hold. Oh. Ganon. Oh, next one. Who is this? Who is this? Mother. Mother. Alin ang hahawakan? Look mo. Hold, hold.
This.
Hold this, hold. Again, try it again. Hazen, kaya mo yan? Try it again. Try it again. Alin ang i-hold? Look mo, hold. Hawak. Hawak. Hawakan. Last one. Who is this? Brother. Your brother. Last one. Saan hold? Hold mo po. Hold. Uh-oh. Try it again. Saan? Sige, go. You can do it. Hold. Yan. Very good. Nakuha din po. Oh, sige nga, i-type natin ang isa. Oh, try this one. Father. Here you go. Try one more. Father. Oh, saan po? Sige, try it again. Paano po? Hold mo. Alin ang i-hold? Sige, kaya mo yan. Oh, look, look, look. Uh-oh. Oh, uh-oh, no. Put it back. Hold, hold. Sige, go. Figure out mo. Hold and up. Hold and up. Next. Yun, okay. Very good. High five. Good job.